Hey, what's up, everybody? This is attorney Dan Nguyen here coming at you with a question someone came up asking me this week about small claims court. So one of my clients called me and said, hey, we are an LLC. Um, what is our limit in small claims court? So in California, the small claims court um, limit is $10,000 for sole proprietors and individuals. However, for entities such as corporations and LLCs, the limit is $5,000. Now, you might ask, well, what if we are an LLC that is a pass-through status? So for some people, they have a sole member LLC and they file as an on their Schedule C, like a sole proprietor on their tax returns. Unfortunately, that does not get around the $5,000 limit. So if you are a entity, you are limited in California Small Claims Court to maximum $5,000. Now, if you over $5,000, does that mean you can't go to small claims? No. You can still go to small claims again, but you max out at $5,000. So here's one of the situations one of my clients had. We had to file small claim court. Their the amount at issue was maybe just over 5,000, maybe 6,000 or 7,000, and they figure, hey, we're probably going to spend this much in attorney's fees if we go to regular court. The difference doesn't make sense for them, and they had a pretty strong case. So what they did was just they kind of waived that particular limit, extra amount, wherever it was, and say, hey, we're only going to seek $5,000. Now, one thing to consider is, if filing small claims court will bar you from actually going after them. If you have an unsuccessful case, going after them in kind of regular court. And so that's one thing you got to consider. But if you believe you're confident in your case, you can limit your asking amount to $5,000 even if it's over. You can go through the small claims a little bit less informal depending on the courthouse, but obviously no attorneys are allowed there to represent clients, so there's a lot more leeway that the judges sometimes may give, and maybe resolution can come about. So to recap, $5,000 limit for corporations, LLCs, other entities in small claims court. Okay, this is attorney Dan Nguyen coming at you. I'll talk to you soon.